Hello, today I'm in Seat Leon. In this video I'll show you how to check inspection schedule. In the beginning, take a look at the instrument cluster, press view button until you go to this menu, find car, and now press and hold OK button on the steering wheel. Now go to service menu, enter service, and here you've got inspection schedule. In my case, inspection is in 25,000 kilometers or 518 days, and oil change is in 11,300 kilometers or 191 days. Next, you can reset inspection, reset oil service, manage time, and enable or disable info audio. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.